It is now time to make a short demonstration of how to control the robot via Bluetooth. We start by connecting to the robot, and once we are connected we can see the red LED in the background is blinking slower. We hit the enable remote control, that's for safety reasons, and then we can finally start moving the robot. Right now the robot moves 10 centimeters in either direction, forward or backward, and turns 90 degrees to the left or right. Moreover, we can control the servo on top of which the sharp sensors are located. We can also control the pump. We can power it on or off.